Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. If you never try, you will never know. With this thought, let's begin our class. We buy gold in gram or milligram, medicines in milligram, provisions in gram and kilogram, and express cargo in tons. Can we use the same instrument in measuring the above listed items? Definitely not. Different measuring devices have to be used for items of smaller and larger masses. In this section, we will study about some of the instruments used for measuring mass. Many things are measured in terms of mass in the commercial world. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. The first instrument for measuring mass is common beam balance. A beam balance compares the sample mass with the standard reference mass. The standard reference mass for this balance ranges from 5 gram to 5 kilogram. This balance can also accurately measure up to 5 gram. The next one is physical balance. This balance is used in labs and is similar to the beam balance, but it is more sensitive, which can measure the mass of an object up to milligram. The standard reference masses used in this physical balance are 10 milligram, 20 milligram, 50 milligram up to 200 grams. Next, digital balance. Nowadays, for accurate measurements, digital balances are used, which measures mass accurately even up to few milligrams. This electrical device is so easy to handle and commonly used in jewelry shops and labs. The next and final one is spring balance. The spring balance helps us to find the weight of an object. It consists of a spring fixed at one end and a hook attached to a rod at the other end. It works on the principle of Hooke's law. A pointer is attached to the rod which slides over a graduated scale on the right. The spring extends according to the weight attached to the hook and the pointer reads the weight of the object on the scale. The next topic which we are going to learn is difference between mass and weight. Mass of a body is defined as the quantity of matter in the body. But weight is the force exerted on a body due to gravity. For example, let us consider a man with 70 kg of mass in earth. His mass will be same in moon as 70 kg. But his weight will be 686 Newton in earth. But in moon it will be 114 Newton. This is due to the gravitational pull of earth, because the gravitational pull on moon is 1 by 6 times less than that of the earth. This causes the weight of the object on the moon to be less than that of the earth by 6 times. Let's discuss the difference in a simple manner. Mass is a fundamental quantity, but weight is a derived quantity. Mass has magnitude alone, so it is a scalar quantity. But weight is having magnitude and direction, so it is a vector quantity. Mass is the amount of matter contained in a body, but weight is the normal force exerted by the surface on the object against the gravitational pull. Mass remains same everywhere, but weight varies from place to place. Mass is measured using physical balance. Weight is measured using spring balance. The unit of mass is kilogram, but the unit of weight is Newton. Okay, students, let's recall the topics which we had learnt in this section. We studied about different instruments used for measuring mass. Beam balance measures from grams, physical balance and digital balance measures up to milligrams, and spring balance which measures up to different kgs. This spring balance works on the principle of Hooke's law. Next, we discussed about the difference between mass and weight. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body, but weight is the normal force exerted by the surface on the body to balance against gravitational force. Okay, students, let me wind up this section by asking a few questions to you. The first question is, what is the principle used in spring balance? Very good. Your answer is correct. The principle used in spring balance is Hooke's law. The next question is, what is the unit of weight? Very good. The unit of weight is Newton. Okay, students, with this quiz, let me wind up this section. We will meet in another class with another new and interesting topic. Thank you, students.